What do you want for Christmas?
A pony.
Oh, best I can do is 20% off at the MMT Indicator store. Use code HOHOHO20 to get 20% discount off of any indicator.
You heard the Santa monkey right. It's an extremely rare sale going on at MMT Indicators. You can get 20% off as many indicators as you like using code HOHOHO20. This very rare sale is going on until December 31st at midnight. So you've got till the end of the year. If there's any indicators you're interested in, everything's 20% off. I usually don't do any sales. The indicators are priced about as low as I want to go for a lifetime license. But even with the discount, still please make sure it's something you're absolutely wanting to take the risk on. I don't offer any kind of trials or refunds or exchanges or anything like that. There are tons of videos on the channel showing the indicators in action in so many different types of markets during my live trading sessions. If you have any specific questions, definitely let me know. There are no magic indicators that's going to make anyone a better trader overnight, and nothing is going to take the place of personal experience and time in the markets. In this video, I'm going to go over the Christmas Eve morning trades that I took. So I hope you enjoy. Hope you're having a great holiday. Merry Christmas Eve. It's a couple minutes to the quote unquote open. Got an early close today. See if there's any kind of decent price action. We just got some nice imbalanced signals to the downside on the 1 minute chart. Heikin-Ashi is red below the 20. Did just drop off 25 points or so there. Grabbed a short here at the open. We pulled up to yesterday's high. Got a washout signal. Got 10 points pretty quick. Just grabbed another short. As we were coming up here, we were getting nothing but imbalanced signals to the downside, negative delta to the downside. We started pulling back into this cluster of gamma levels here. Added some more micros to the pile. We had a lot of negative delta on this previous 5-minute ES candle. I've got the flow stack delta grid up here on the 5-minute that's showing me the 5-minute delta for the past few NQ and ES bars. The flow stack can show the delta for up to 4 different instruments, so I could have the NQ, ES, YM, RTY, something like that if I wanted. I'm gonna step away for a minute to make a second cup of hot chocolate at the risk of missing out on some price action. Added another 10 points to the pile. Grabbed another short. Check out this previous 5-minute candle. Huge wick on this previous 5-minute candle. And then check out this 15-minute candle. Huge upper wick on the 15-minute candle. Bearish on the 15-minute time frame Heikin-Ashi. Bearish on the 5-minute Heikin-Ashi. Bearish on the 60-minute Heikin-Ashi. We're staying below VWAP. Just popped down 12 or 13 points there. Right now we're getting a hold up at London Open and the midnight level. Haven't been able to break below those so far. I grabbed a couple more Lucid accounts, so as soon as I log out and sign back in, I'll have 4 of those. I think I'm going to max out and get the 5 total accounts and then just treat those like gold. Just be super strict and diligent. Only take the best trades, which I should be doing anyway. Then I don't have to worry about a time limit or anything on these. Even just averaging $100 a day per account, it's like 10 grand a month. 500 a day, 2,500 a week, 10 grand a month. Even averaging $50 a day, that's still 5 grand a month. Pretty good for just finding a few trades on the micros. I've been multitasking, playing around with the 2000 tick chart, using the MMT price action indicator to look for big wicks and also wickless candles. Had some nice delta pushes. Green Heikin-Ashi to the upside on the 1 minute. Then we turned bearish on the Heikin-Ashi. Got a nice imbalance signal, point of control up into this wick. Then a nice delta push signal. Strong close below the 20. Getting this nice pullback to VWAP. Some divergence there. Nice little pop up. So we were coming down. Delta was drying up. Some decent trading opportunities today. It's just about to hit 10:30. We're pretty much right at the 50 on the 5-minute, so don't really have much of a directional bias. Had some pretty strong delta on the previous 5-minute ES. I just took a 20 SMA bounce. We pulled up here right at 10:30. Since we were so close to the 50 SMA on the 5-minute, I was expecting more of a range, so had this little double key level with yesterday's high and the 20 SMA. Grabbed a short right there. I only grabbed like 6 points. It wasn't moving super quick. If I would have stayed in another 30 seconds though, would have got my full take profit. But it's 10:33. I'm going to be done for the day. There's an early close today. Don't want to get stuck in any crazy trades or anything like that. Next time I trade, I'll have 4 or 5 of these Lucid accounts. Just going to keep looking for the absolute best trades. Try not to do anything stupid. Lucid has 40% off right now. It's all in. There's no monthly subscription fee, no activation fee. In my opinion, definitely the best deal out there right now. Anyone that's using code MonkeyMan is the absolute best. Thanks so much for your support. There are links to all the MMT indicators in the description. Hope everyone has a great holidays. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.